applications, and pumunta tayo sa ating profile account. Then, makikita natin yung edit profile sa taas and may tatlong tuldok. Click natin yung tatlong tuldok and then scroll down. Makikita natin yung sa baba, yung turn on professional mode. Then, click the turn on professional mode. Turn on professional mode, get prepaid for your content. If you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating a new content. See content insight, learn more about the audience, and see how well your content in performing. So, yun, turn on natin yung button sa baba. And then, after natin i-turn on, yan yung makikita natin dyan. So, wala pa siyang laman. And then, may mga levels tayo na kailangan natin matapos. And then, nandiyan lahat na